accounts, and I'll show you there. If no, you can see it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, when you get here, Nova Test, and then when you click there, you got several options. On top, you got random exams. So each exam is created at the spot. Just signaling, safety, that is maneuver, so anything related to legislation, motorbike, and all of the topics combined.
Yeah.
This one, chapter by chapter, so depending if you want to go through a specific chapter, then and it will be chapter 1, chapter 2, and so on.